What's up, guys? What's up everybody? Tim here, and today we are going to be talking about making things work, because you know what, sometimes in life you just have to make things work if you really want them to happen or to succeed. If you want to achieve a goal, if you want to maintain a relationship, sometimes you just got to make it work. Well, anyway, that's the moral of the story today, but I will be showing a brief little overview of what I'm working on. Once again, working on the old Peterbilt. So with this truck, these little locks on the outside of the door right here, I didn't have a key for them, and the locksmith couldn't really do anything about it, so I ordered some replacements online. They're not an exact fit, but I'm gonna make them work, because sometimes in life you just got to make things work. Okay, so while I was at it, I went ahead and put this vise on my table here. This is just a makeshift workbench for now, because I obviously haven't got everything put up yet. You can see I'm slowly getting everything put together. Got some little holders for my sockets and things, so it was actually really satisfying. I like being organized when I can be. As you can see, we still got our walls studded up. I'm waiting on some more inspection stuff to happen before we can continue with the wall building and electrical and plumbing and all that at the shop. Yeah, let me show you a little bit about what we're doing. Okay, so on the original lock, see, all I'm replacing is this little lock mechanism right here. And see, it has a little stubby end here poking through. So the ones I ordered, everything's pretty much identical, except it's got this long piece here. So we're gonna make it work. We're just gonna cut it down, fit it in, and see what happens. Okay, got this much off of it. Let's see. All right, that's actually gonna be it's gonna be pretty close. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. Here's the new one, here's the old one. All right, so that should be close enough. I've got plenty of clearance behind where this goes, so we should be all right. We'll go ahead and install this real quick back into the mechanism. We got a little bit of this rubber grommet left. It ain't gonna do a whole lot. If I have to, we'll go back in with some silicone, and boop, there it goes. Yep, she's in. All right, got it snapped down in there best I could. The only thing is there's this rubber washer here, which kind of fills in the gap where the clip ring's supposed to snap in, but we got it. There, it ain't going nowhere. Put the key in, boom, 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 boom. Pretty simple, but there you go. That'll work. All right, let's go install it on the truck. Okay, now all I gotta do is put the backing plate on here real quick and do the other side. So we'll just fast forward through that. All right, and second side is done. All right, got them both taken care of. So once again, sometimes you just gotta make things work. In this case, it was the lock. So the locks may not have been actual, locks manufactured for this truck, but with a little bit of modification, made them work. And in life, sometimes you're just the lock. So maybe you need to change something about yourself. Boom! Knowledge, wisdom, that's what I do. No, just kidding. But yeah, so sometimes in life, if you want to get something done, if you want to continue to be happy, if you want to accomplish something, if there's a goal you're trying to reach, or just to maintain a good relationship with someone, sometimes you gotta make things work. You know, my dad always told me that can't never could. Oh, and that's true, because if you say you can't do something, then you can't. In this case, I didn't want to spend $300 for the factory locks for this thing. So I spent like, I don't know, I think they were 60 or 80 for those, and I made them work. They're fine. They work perfect. Just had to change something a little bit. Sometimes people got to change a little bit about themselves if they want to accomplish what they want to accomplish. Or if you want to maintain a healthy relationship, you got to change a little bit. I was talking to one of my friends the other day. He's dealing with a new relationship, trying to figure out what to do. I said, well, if you want to make it work, then make it work. just make it work. Sometimes you have to change a little bit to make things work. Sometimes you gotta give a little bit to make things work. You may not be in an ideal place in your life right now, but that's okay. Sometimes you just gotta make things work. Deal with what you got, make things better. Things continue to get better as you go on in life. And for me, I like making things work. I like things like this where I might have to modify something to work for something else. To me, it's fun. And in life, I think you'll get more gratitude and have a better attitude towards things if throughout your life sometimes you might have to change a little bit to make things work too, or change the situation, or change who's around you. So anyway, that's my little moral of the story today. I'm done preaching at you, but again, you know, keep your head right, everybody. And I know here lately, between gas prices and everything and the economy fluctuating, people are freaking out, but just hang in there. You know what, do what you gotta do to make things work and continue on in life. Be happy, have fun, buy stupid things, buy things you don't need, and have fun with them, because that's what's up. Oh, speaking of, I bought another truck. Not an 18-wheeler, just here, I'll show you real quick. I bought me a pick-em-up truck. I bought a pickup truck. So yeah, I'll do some stuff on that in upcoming videos. I'm not gonna do any big modifications or anything. I really just bought it so I could have something to haul stuff with back and forth to Lowe's, and so I could haul garbage from, well, from there to the road over there, because I'm tired. So yeah, never hurts to have a pickup truck. Got a real good deal on it. Also, and I got a new vehicle again, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, yeah, all right, you guys have a great day. If you haven't, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell to be notified of future videos, and I will keep throwing content your way as much as I can. Been real busy, but I'm gonna keep them going. All right, thanks. Y'all have a great day. Bye.